We wish to announce the second publication of funds for the marriage of D. Brian Cadiga, son of Manuel Cadiga, and Donita Aurelio, 474, Barangay Zaguetis, Calacas City. Wish to contract na Anthony Gabriel de la Cueva, daughter of Felicissimo de la Cueva, and Maria Lizara, 608, Libunin, Calacas City. Third publication funds for the marriage of Eduardo Parana Jr., son of Eduardo Parana Sr. and Melissa Hackman of the Pilar Street, Calacas City. Wish to contract the matrimony to Julian Rivera, daughter of Jimmy Rivera.
She's reading other names now, but I'm pretty sure ours is coming up.
If you know of any reason why scholars should not be allowed to receive one sacrament of matrimony, please see our parish office immediately. Let us give thanks and praise to our Lord through this Eucharistic celebration, and let us offer our prayers and petitions, including the following intention. In honor of Sacred Heart of Jesus, offered by Justina, Rivar, and family. Thanksgiving offered by Cora Nazareth and family, Jonasar and Amabel Lucero and family, Dr. Sani Obuge and family, Robert and Laura Fernandez, Pagpantay and Basita family, Dali and Lisa Pacorona and family, Flory, Peng and Ronnie and family, May Nicolas and family, Lady Boy Pongmer, Mr. and Mrs. Marlon Nospa. Thanksgiving birthday for Susan M. Alves and Romy Francia. For the continuous recovery of Vincent Isaiah, Emmanuel Vargas, Philomeno Asinado. Special intention from Sue John Kwan. Personal intentions that Odi, Jeff, and Amy Sigler. For the eternal repose of the soul of Bishop Pedro and Miguel, Monsignor Elias Obrete, Monsignor Fidel Villalba, Monsignor Renato Mosito, Father Orlando Alvarez, Dominador Villarreal, Mario and Maria Medina, Corazon Macana, Felipe Johnson Sr., Moses Pong, Veronica Beck, Ferdinand Aristoteles, John Limbo, Do Juan Farm, Hung Su Farm, Julio Rivar, Iluminata Fernandez, Armando Paz Sina, Erlita Paz, Conselo Fernandez, Anita Fernandez, Dolores Conde, Edgardo Vicena Jr., Mateo Benito Cansanay, Roberto Casilla, Bella Lantin, Marta Cansanay, Romulo Cansanay, Emilia Nepomuceno, Restituta Malinaw, Eleodoro Aguilar Jr., Emma Agaran, Juan Agaran, Manuel Peña Fernandez, Margarita
Muñoz.
Muñoz, Tía Juanita Hurtado, Tío Tony Hurtado, Conrado Basila, María Teresa Comando, Gregorio Ceballos, Velasco, Candida Piano, Domingo, Señora Mailo, Rafael, Marta, departed relatives of Domingo and Pamplona, family, Lourdes Megaliera, Rosini, De Iñasco, Pedro Villarío, Fray Jesus, Lida Dolores. For all souls, family, a St. John Baptist Family School Bar.
finding out if she said Chuy Jesus Fernandez. You filled it out, remember?
None.
You filled it out.
Kailan niyo po ito pinasa?
Yung last Sunday. Ay, what day we went here?
Monday or Tuesday?
Tuesday po.
Baka po sa ibang oras.
No, Ash Wednesday.
Ay, hindi po, pare-pares po.
Ash
Nabanggit
Wednesday.
po yung iba. Yung isa lang, yun lang po isang. Bali kasi 8 po lahat yun. Siya
That's
lang
good.
po ang wala. Pero nilista ko po yun. Kasi 8 souls po yun.
Ano po ang pangalan?
Jesus Chuy Fernandez.
Jesus,
Chuy Fernandez.
Chewy,
Fernandez.
For the eternal cause of Jesus Chuy Fernandez.
Salamat. For some reason, they didn't have Chuy's name on there. I don't know if we wrote it on there. Okay, we'll stop, discontinue the video, pick it up later.
Naman.